Hey, I'm Jasmine with WTI, and if you're looking for the comfiest PJs for your little one, you're gonna wanna check out Owlivia. These are bamboo pajamas, and they are the softest things that I have ever felt. I love that they don't have a tag that bothers the baby's neck. These are footed sleepers, so they do have an anti-grip on the bottom of the foot in case your little one is walking already. He won't slip so easily. And it's also a zipper, so that's really nice and convenient when you're trying to change them. I love this olive color on my little one. It's so cute. This is the 3 to 6 month size. My baby is 3 months. He usually wears this size. It runs a tad big, which I find to be nice because it means that he's just going to be able to wear it for longer. It does fit him, but there is definitely room to grow. I like that the zipper there is covered so that it doesn't bother his face. And it also comes with the built-in mitts, which is nice so that he doesn't accidentally scratch his face. They also have other really nice colors to choose from and patterns. This is the one in black. So if you're in the market for some comfy, soft PJs that your little one will be able to use for a long time, definitely get these bamboo PJs from Owlivia. They are so soft. Your baby is going to love them, and that's my point of view.